What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are again. I got the car back today, a week ago. Today we're filming this. You guys are probably going to see this later this week, but I got the car back from Niku a week ago and it lasted about, I showed the mileage, I think it was 33 kilometers before it grenaded itself again. What actually happened, I got the car back and I'm having some injector issues after the head has been reconned. My 120s took on some damage from skimming the head. So Brink in Cape Town, where I got the replacement motor, actually sent out a stock set of injectors for me to run in the car, and I decided to drive the car to make sure that I push some fuel through those injectors to make sure that when the stock injectors come, that all the debris is out of the head and that we can put the stock injectors in and have a running car. So I drove the car 30 kilometers, never drove at all because we haven't started with the file, so no tuning yet. I just did a few Ks to ensure that there's some fuel going through the injectors to clean the head out basically. And the car was struggling to select gears and made some funny noises, and this is what we have at the moment. The pressure plate grenaded itself, I'm not sure, but it actually broke right off there. So these debris went in here and actually hit a hole in my casing. So yeah, so I don't know. It's currently Wednesday. I'm probably gonna end this video here. I just want to give you guys an update of what's happening. I got a new pressure plate, well, not a new one, a second-hand pressure plate from someone that bought an entire kit. So I got the old pressure plate. I sent it into Norbrake this time with a clutch. The flywheel is still there. I sent it in for them to just to resurface it and ensure that everything is fine on the pressure plate. And then the other thing is I got a replacement casing which I'm going to take in to the gearbox shop today. We're probably gonna replace all this, I'm not sure, we'll hear what he says. But I got a replacement casing as well, so my box is going to be rebuilt into that one. So like I say, I'm just gonna end this video off here. I'll probably have more updates next week. The injectors from Cape Town arrived. Absolutely no point in putting these in before the car is running, I guess. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully next week we'll have the pressure plate and the gearbox back. We can put it all back in the car, do the injectors, and then hopefully after that the car will start acting right. So yeah, if the car doesn't start acting right after this, I'm probably going to park it off until next year or something. There's only so much money that I can spend on this thing at a time without any results. I mean, this year, I'm in a deep this year alone. Tried to do everything to the best of my ability and still no luck. I mean, the clutch issue now, I tried my best to send it to the best people that there is in Gauteng. Everyone recommended them, send it to them. 70 Ks didn't work. The injectors, my plan was never to blow a head gasket on a new motor or a replacement motor after 20, 30, 40 kilometers. When I got the head reconditioned, I tried my utmost best to clean the head before putting it back on the car. It didn't work. There's nothing more that I can do to this car. I'm trying my utmost best and it's fighting me every step of the way. So if it doesn't start acting right, I'm parking it off, and I hope you guys understand. This is the reason why I'm looking to buy a new project for the channel. We can't go on like this with this thing. I still don't think I'll sell it, but I mean, I need a car that's going to be more consistent for me to work on and have fun with and all those nice things. So I promise you I'm just trying my best regarding this thing, and I still have faith that I'll get it up and running. One day it probably will stop fighting me, because we're at a point now where almost everything is brand new. There's like no more old parts in this car. Not entirely, but you get what I'm saying. New motor, new turbo, new clutch. The box is almost going to be new again, rebuilt. I'm trying my best. That's all I'm trying to say to you guys. So no good news in this video, but I'll see you guys next week. I've got probably 2 more videos coming out next week. I do apologize for me being quiet on YouTube. This thing just it got the better of me. I just had to take a break for a short while, and like I said, there's some pretty rad updates coming which I can't talk too much about, so just stay tuned. That's all I'm telling you guys. I'll see you in the next one, bro. Peace out and reflect your passion.